I'm not hungry, so I'm not going to make us anything.
Okay. Can I lay claim to everything over there, or?
Yeah, just clean up after yourself.
All right. Got it.
You have arrived.
Hey. All right. We want 2 eggs. Dude, what the hell was that?
Spit in your eggs.
Why? Why would you do that?
Dibs. By the way, I peed in the iced tea.